I got Salesforce AI Associate certified. Having aced the exam with only 2 hours of study, I now want to share my success blueprint with you. Hi, I'm Deepak Bhaskaran, your guide to all things AI. Let's start with a quick introduction. With over 2 decades of Salesforce experience, I am a leader at one of the highest ranking platinum partner of Salesforce based out of New York City. I have led multi-country, multi-cloud rollouts for the Big Four: media entertainment, financial services, retail, manufacturing, and public sector organizations. As a frequent speaker for Salesforce events, few of my engagements have even headlined Dreamforce. Currently, as an AI architect, I have been working with executives across multiple enterprises scale their AI platforms, and also run this YouTube channel to empower non-technical executives on their AI journey. Over just the last 2 months, I have created over 50 videos providing comprehensive overview of generative AI services from AWS, Google, Microsoft, and Salesforce, along with product deep dives. On that note, make sure you subscribe to this channel and accelerate your AI journey. In this video, we are going to cover everything about the Salesforce AI Associate examination, the Salesforce AI ecosystem, and my success blueprint to get you certified on your first attempt. The blueprint contains an overview of the examination, key concepts with detailed notes, realistic practice questions for each section, and a glossary of over 100 critical AI terms that will help you get certified on your first attempt. Make sure you pause this video, access the blueprint with the link in the description section first before we continue. Let's start with the Salesforce AI ecosystem. AI has been revolutionizing industries, and it was inevitable for Salesforce to announce a new Salesforce AI Associate certification to align with their Cloud+Data+AI strategy. With Salesforce Customer 360, that unified portfolio of cloud products, every customer has a unique profile with details like demographics, preferences, behaviors, and key touchpoints. Imagine, as a sales rep, you can immediately pull up all the past orders, conversations, and preferences. Now, with Data Cloud attached to the conversation, you can pull in real-time information from multiple sources, including external, to build trust, improve customer satisfaction, and create stronger, lasting relationship. With the introduction of Salesforce Einstein, the AI that comes pre-built into all Salesforce products, Einstein automatically captures customer data from emails, calendars, or previous conversations. Then Einstein takes all of this data and turns them into sales insight, like surfacing an alert when a competitor is mentioned so that the sales rep can respond immediately. Einstein prioritizes the leads that are most likely to convert and recommends the next best action. Through automated AI workflows, you can engage your prospects differently based on their predictive lead score. It also manages the overall health of each opportunity, identifying those at risk or recommending the next best step to close the deal. You can put customer data right into your reps' inboxes. Accelerate growth by visualizing, exploring, and taking action on your sales data with just few clicks and not code. Coming back to the Salesforce AI Associate examination. This is an entry-level certification that focuses on the fundamentals and capabilities of AI and data as they apply to the Salesforce CRM. The exam is intended for beginners, business leaders, and professionals who want to validate their foundational skills in responsible AI, data, and the core capabilities of Salesforce. So if you are a Salesforce or an AI enthusiast, an existing Salesforce professional looking to add value to your resume, or considering a change career into the tech industry, this certification is the right choice. About the exam. The Salesforce AI Associate examination consists of 40 multiple choice questions. Each question contains 3 possible answers with only 1 right answer. This format makes it slightly easier than the other Salesforce certification examinations. You will have 70 minutes to complete the exam with a passing score of 65%. The exam costs $75 and the retakes are free. You can take the exam online or at a testing center near you. I personally prefer the online proctored version because it gives me the convenience of both time and place. While there are no prerequisites for this examination, one of the suggested certification is the Salesforce Associate examination. But if you ask me, I wouldn't bother. The exam covers a broad range of topics, starting with AI fundamentals, which makes up 17% of the exam. You will be quizzed on basic principles of AI, identify different types of AI and their capabilities, such as predictive and generative AI, along with concepts such as neural networks, numeric predictions, classification, machine learning models, and large language processing. The next section, AI capabilities in CRM, cover 8% of the syllabus. You will be expected to identify AI capabilities within Salesforce. The section will also test you on Einstein, Salesforce AI Engine's capability to build AI-driven applications with Einstein bots, automate process, and personalize customer journeys with Einstein Prediction Builder, Einstein Lead Scoring, Opportunity Scoring, Case Classification, Einstein Next Best Action, Einstein Discovery, and Prediction Builder. The next section is a predominant topic within the examination. Accounting for over 39% of the exam, you would need to navigate the ethical challenges of AI as you build Salesforce applications, such as bias or lack of transparency. As you apply Salesforce trusted AI principles such as responsible, accountable, transparent, empowering, and inclusive across various customer scenarios, you will be treading the tight line between useful personalization and customer manipulation while balancing the implications of various data protection laws and regulation. Finally, the last section, Data for AI, which covers 36%, will require you to describe the importance of data quality, understand how to clean, prepare, and transform data, along with handling data quality issues such as missing, inconsistent, or incorrect data, and understand how they will impact the AI model. Let's talk about study strategy. If you've been with me till now, you'd have realized that I've already saved you hours by summarizing key aspects of the Salesforce AI Associate examination. To prepare for the exam, you could either go to the trailhead content, which takes over 24 hours, or start with my success blueprint that helped me ace the Salesforce AI examination with just 2 hours of study. Make sure you access my blueprint or study guide with the link in the description section. This not only includes the most asked content across each section, but also practice questions for you to benchmark your knowledge against every section of the examination. I've also included a glossary of over 100 critical AI terms that will help you get certified on your first attempt. As a leader within the Salesforce ecosystem, I understand how valuable your time is, and hence have summarized all the key information in a single spot so you don't have to waste your time and effort getting certified. The Salesforce Certified AI Associate certification is a valuable credential for anyone looking to advance their career in the Salesforce ecosystem and gain expertise in artificial intelligence. Whether you're already working in Salesforce or considering a career change, this certification can definitely open doors to exciting opportunities. By mastering key topics like data processing, machine learning, Salesforce Einstein, model deployment, ethical consideration, and data maintenance, you will be well prepared to ace the exam and demonstrate your AI skill to potential employers. So if you're ready to take your Salesforce career to the next level, start your journey today by becoming a Salesforce Certified AI Associate. I'm here to help you on your AI journey. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and definitely let me know in the comments once you get certified. Nothing else brings me more joy.